Oh my goodness, look at this mouth-watering, creamy shrimp pasta. Come over to my kitchen, guys. Let me show you how to make this delicious shrimp pasta. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for being here today. If this is your first time, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can receive more of my upload. So today we are going to make a extra creamy shrimp pasta. Oh my goodness. If you are looking for a great recipe, this one right here is what you are looking for. So there, guys, you have seen all my lovely season that I am going to use in my pasta recipe today. This is about 1 pound of medium-sized shrimp that is already clean. I am going to season with some Cajun season and paprika. The Cajun season really bring a nice flavor, so I don't need to add any other powder season. So I am going to season up the shrimp and set aside, and we are going to go ahead and start to boil our pasta. So this is the pasta I am using today, and I will be using half container. That's a 16-ounce container. I'll be using half. I'll be adding it to some boiling water that I have seasoned already with some bouillon powder. Allow it to cook according to the instruction on the package. Once cooked, we will strain and set aside. So here we are sauteing our minced garlic in some butter, and we are going to add the shrimp about a minute later, and we are going to allow the shrimp to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Once it's done, we are going to remove it from the pan, and in the same pan we are going to continue to saute our onion. After sauteing the onion for about 2 minutes, we are going to add our herbs. We are going to add some rosemary and some thyme. Adding the herbs to our creamy mixture is going to bring out a lovely flavor. And here we add our minced pepper. This is optional, but I find the minced pepper bring a beautiful color to our creamy shrimp pasta. Once we allow it to saute for the next 2 minutes, here we are going to add our milk. So we're going to add 2 cups of half and half. And here is the secret of a lovely creamy shrimp pasta. You want to make sure your sauce is flavor rich. So by doing so, you're going to add your favorite season. And here I am adding some Cajun season. Like I said before, Cajun season is so rich in flavor, especially this brand that I have in this recipe. It is salty and rich in other flavors. So I just add that and a little paprika, and I mix thoroughly. Now I'm going to add my cream cheese. You can use cream cheese or Parmesan cheese. So I am going to mix the cheese until it's thoroughly smooth in the sauce. So right here we are going to taste our sauce and make sure we are getting that lovely flavor we are looking for before we go ahead and add our pasta. One of my other secret to my flavor rich creamy pasta is that I allow the pasta to cook less time than it said on the box. So if the box says 16 minutes, I'll allow it to cook for about 12 minutes. Why? I can allow it to cook in the sauce for the next 4 minutes. This will allow the flavor of the sauce to absorb into the pasta. And what you are going to do also, you are going to save a little bit of the water from the pasta just in case you need it to keep your sauce nice enough. Your sauce may evaporate while you are allowing the pasta to continue to cook. If that happens, you might need a little extra water to keep your sauce looking nice. So here I'm adding some dry parsley. And here I'm adding the shrimp. And we are going to give this a nice stir. And here we have the final result of our creamy shrimp pasta. This came out so tasty and juicy. So guys, go ahead and try this recipe. Drop a comment below and let me know how did yours came out. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. A big shout out to all my faithful subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Bye.